Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. Today I have lots of cleaning items and different random products. It's repurchased stuff, a lot of it, but with spring cleaning coming, I got a few extra things. Today I got the Palmolive almond milk and blueberry scented dish liquid. I got the Home Store foaming super oxygen bathroom cleaner, which is great, by the way. The scent boosters for the wash. LA's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 detergent plus fabric softener. I love this, and I like the scent too. It comes in a fresh scent, but it's really good. 2 packs of bath tissue, paper towels, tissues, which is a great deal. I always buy these $175. More sponges. Got some Surefresh cover ups for your bowls. Love these. Good Scent handles, favorite kitchen bags, hands down. They don't rip easily, they smell wonderful. 18-quart freezer and storage bags from Good Scent. Also got a new duster, and I got a Sure Scents Angel Blossom, and I'm pretty sure I got 2 of these. I just haven't found it in the other bag. So I got those for the bathroom. I got a AA battery and a AAA from Sunbeam, and if you'll notice, they had these in 10 packs, and now they come in 8 packs. So, I got some duct tape, some lighters, a random find, the food coloring. This is $1 at Walmart. These are 3 and higher. So, I definitely grabbed one. Don't need it now, but put it back for later. Needed some more Band-Aids, and Connor picked out Trolls. Facial wipes, the charcoal wipes, love these, absolutely adore them. They are great. These are my favorite headbands. With some earplugs, random dog nail clippers, and some peanut butter flavored dog biscuits. Got a secret deodorant, my favorite. Love this name brand for $1. Connor wanted the Paw Patrol body wash, so we picked up that one. And then I needed a just cheap conditioner. I like shaving my legs with conditioner. And so I got White Rain, the coconut and hibiscus scent. Really good value. Lasts a long time. More Easter stuff. We got some Googly Eyes egg decorating kit. Connor really liked this kit, so we picked this one up. We picked up this blue egg container. And you hear that little gun in the background? It's a little toy that he got at Dollar Tree. These little play guns. But how cute is that? Him in so many different colors. And then we picked up some fake eggs. Now these I thought I would glue together and Allie could play with them. They're small and they're little animals, and how cute are they? So I had an idea for those. And then these glittery eggs, and this is 10 pieces, 10 piece. These are 8-piece. They have little cute metallic designs on them, and I thought we would hang them in a tree near our house. How cute. And also for Easter, I got a hollow chocolate bunny, a little squishy blind bag thing. They had just one. They had a ton, but I only got one. And then I got him the cute little chickie basket for Easter this year, and how adorable is he? I'll take a picture. And so that's for his Easter basket stuff. And I am done. I don't need to buy anything else for Easter basket stuff. You guys seen what I hauled last month, so this is done. Done. Outdoor stuff. Connor got these cute little glasses. We got this beach ball to toss around for now because obviously it's not warm enough to be playing in a pool. But we got it just to toss around. He loved it. And then we got this little football thing. And he also got a baseball and a bat at the Dollar Tree, which I've already been playing with that outside, so it's outside on the porch. In the crafting and teaching area, I did pick up these K1 books, 5 to 7, numbers 1 through 12, and have like little activities in here. And I thought that was neat. It doesn't matter how many of these he has, he can still work them. But this is grade K, and this is the kindergarten scholar. But yes, so I got those, and I picked up these in the craft section, these foam beads to make crunchy foam little ball slime. So thought we would do that one day. I had these in yellow, green, and white. Now I wanted to share my favorite finds last, and these are canvas pictures, and this says bless our nest. How adorable. That is in a ton of different prints, but these are the two two of my favorites. And this says bloom where you are planted. How beautiful. These look way more than $1 also. And then we found some really cute socks. I got this 2-pack and it's like neon lined, and this blue and pink pair. And then for Connor we found these little robots, and he has 3 pairs in there with a pair that has gears on it. So I thought those were really awesome to find. They have lots of socks all the time, but these were really nice. And then I found these in the beauty aisle, but one of my favorite things, so I want to say over last, and they are like that multi-chrome, like powder looking stuff, and basically they're duochrome nails, but they're so pretty. You get 12 in here. Got about 4 different duochromes to choose from. I got the more rainbowy one, and this is like a yellow, rose, and green. Very beautiful. And then last 2 items are notebooks. They had a ton of different notebooks to choose from. I'm always writing down stuff, making notes, writing down appointments, doing requests and video ideas and stuff, so I run out of my notebooks really quickly. And they had a ton of like these, and this one just says inspire with the pinstripes and the gold. They just look like this inside. Both of them do. And then I got this one, travel print. It's got like a clear and then a collar. Same thing in there. And they're 50 sheets each, 5 by 7 inches. And they had a ton. They had so many cute ones with sayings. They had tons of them with flamingos on them. But these 2 were my favorite. And I almost forgot, last but not least, I did get 2 of these bamboo torches. They also had them in green and pink, but I really like the minty blue and the purple ones, and they're just bamboo torches. For $1 each. You still have to get the oil, but you get the stand and the little container for $1. And yes, that's the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Makes you want to go shop at Dollar Tree now. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. And always check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links. And thank you guys always for watching.